have to say, one thing about the Florida Keys is that the food is amazing. I knew the water was gonna be crystal clear and the weather was gonna be great, but I had no idea that the food would be on such a different level. It is fantastic. Fresh fish, fresh lobster. It's going to my belly right now.
All right, guys, while Key West is the most well-known island of all the Florida Keys, there are nearly 120 miles of keys from Miami to Key West.
From Key Largo to Big Pine in the lower Keys, you will not want to miss one bit of this tropical paradise. And thanks to Visit the Florida Keys, we're going to show you exactly where to go.
And while you're here, we definitely recommend renting a car so that you can explore all the great activities while you're in the Keys.
So fun fact, while the Keys are a tropical paradise, there actually aren't many white sand beaches, which is why you have to go to Bahia Honda State Park to enjoy their beaches. And right here at the resort we're staying at Baker's Cay Resort in Key Largo, there are immaculate white sand beaches.
So what's great about the Florida Keys is there's warm weather all year round, and the best months to come here are December to May. All right, guys, we are up bright and early. The sun is shining again in the beautiful Keys. But today we are starting our journey driving from Key West up the amazing iconic Keys all the way ending in Key Largo.
That's right, and this morning we're at Sugarloaf Key about to go clear water kayaking in a clear kayak. I mean, this is gonna be incredible. We're gonna kayak through these mangroves, and the water here is just absolutely crystal clear, and I'm really excited to go in a clear kayak because I've never been before.
Yeah.
This is gonna be really exciting.
I mean, the scenery right now is a little unassuming, but that's just because the beautiful water's behind us. That's where the secret is.
Yes. So now we are out on the clear kayak. Thank you, Scott, for doing most of the work.
Yeah, as you can see, Coco's just up there enjoying the view.
I mean, someone's got to enjoy the view, and then I guess someone has to work otherwise.
But I'm actually impressed. It's really cool. I understand it's a clear kayak and you're supposed to be able to see underneath, but it's truly a clear kayak. You can really see everything underneath here. But no, it's a beautiful little paddle. It's always good to be out here enjoying nature.
That's right. Not a soul in sight, just seagrass beneath us.
And our guide.
And the world in front of us. All right, we made it to Bahia Honda State Park, which is one of the only beaches in all of the Keys. So we figured we had to see it. Supposed to be beautiful white sand beaches, nice pier, and that crystal clear key water.
So you want to touch it?
No way.
So like most natural beaches, it's a little bit more rustic, as you see. I think they had a bit of a seaweed or seagrass bloom recently, so there's seaweed all over the beach, but it's still pretty cool. There's some camping, I think, in the back
Yeah,
there.
there's camping. We saw some Airstreams. I mean, it's a 500-acre park where you can go kayaking and snorkeling, and the water's super shallow and clear. So it's a beautiful place for families to come, or just a relaxing day at the beach.
Yeah, considering it is the only beach around the Keys, you gotta come check it out.
One of the only beaches.
Oh, one of the only beaches. It is really hot today. Gotta come check out this water.
I am hungry. 3. We are at the Hungry Tarpon, and apparently there are some tarpon feedings. I don't know if they'll be in the daytime.
We've stopped to get some lunch on our way to Key Largo. It's about midway, I think, from Key West to Key Largo. Hidden gem, it's called the Hungry Tarpon.
So we love ourselves some guacamole, but we just ordered something unique. It's called conkamole. So it's conch and guacamole all mixed up together, and I am gonna have a bite right now. Meow. I have to say, one thing about the Florida Keys is that the food is amazing. I knew the water was gonna be crystal clear and the weather was gonna be great, but I had no idea that the food would be on such a different level. It is fantastic. Fresh fish, fresh lobster. It's going in my belly right now, but thank you to the Florida Keys for just cooking up a storm. Today we are in Key Largo at Baker's Cay Resort. Now Key Largo is the closest key to Miami. It's only a little bit over an hour away to paradise. And today we are taking advantage of all of the water sports on the beautiful tranquil waters of Key Largo. Paddleboarding, kayaking, I mean there's so much to do out on the water here in the Keys.
Where are we going to get lunch?
We're going to the Key Largo Conch House. I mean, when in the Keys, you have to eat conch.
So we got one of the number one things you gotta get, conch fritters, fried conch. And then I want to try everything. So shrimp, crab cakes, not exactly sure what this is. Conch fritters, and then a conch ceviche. So we're gonna be conked out of conch with all the conch. It's hot, it's hot.
Conchtastic.
So tonight, it's our final night. We close it out at the Raw Bar at Postcard Inn. This looks like a beautiful little marina and hotel with all these little restaurants. It's absolutely gorgeous.
This place is absolutely beautiful. I mean, you have a downstairs and an upstairs overlooking the water. There's plenty of restaurants surrounding us right now, but I mean, look how cool the sunset is.
As always, guys, I'm Scott.
And I'm Colette.
And we are Romru.
And if you like what we saw, please like and subscribe below.
Thanks so much.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.